Hey everyone, this is the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto, in the house, guys, and we got a great video for you today. We're going to talk about, is it time to sell, guys? Is it time to sell? Is it time to get out of crypto and go do something else, like watch paint dry? We're going to talk about that. I'm going to also tell you why did we see Bitcoin go down? Why did we see Bitcoin go down, down yesterday? And I'm going to tell you what we can expect in the next couple of days and what are going to be some of the huge catalysts that are going to send crypto to the moon, guys. So remember, this video is not financial advice. This is just an OG in the house expressing his opinion, and this video is for education and entertainment purposes only. So you're about to get entertained. So let's go down the crypto rabbit hole with OG in the house. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Woo! So right now, guys, go back and watch all of my other videos. Don't forget to do that, guys. Bullish reversal flashing. Cash is trash. Dogecoin will explode. Guys, jump into the other content, guys, and go back down there. Smash the likes, subscribe, YB in the house, and don't forget to comment, guys. So let's take a look at the heat map. The heat map in the house. So we're seeing that everything went down, 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 down. And I know a lot of you guys are panicking out there. And, yesterday when we did our video last night, we had a real live bull walk past the back of the screen here. And everything was looking pretty good. Everything was looking green. Everything was, looking very bullish, and I was like, yeah, this is going to be a green day. We saw the pre-opening markets were looking very good for the broader markets, and that often will take Bitcoin uppity up. So what happened? What caused this whole Debbie Downer incident? Well, this is what happened, guys. So yesterday we saw that the U.S. markets were down. We saw the Nasdaq was down. The S&P was down. We're also seeing right now that the pre-markets are also looking pretty lame-o in the house right now. So what was the biggest cause? Well, we had some economic indicators that came out. U.S. weekly job claims totaled 207,000, which were higher than expected, and that was due to this variant going around the world and making people not happy. So key points to take away from this was the jobless claims were total 207,000, ended January higher than 195,000 estimate. So that was a Debbie Downer. That didn't help the sentiment on the market. And these hedge fund managers, there are a bunch of weak Nancy's out there. And what happens is any little bit of negative news, and they just jump ship and they do crazy stuff. So that was one of the reasons that Bitcoin went down. The other is that December home sales dropped 4.6% as supply hits record low. But the other thing is, you can see that the average median price for a new home went up 15.85%. And the reason for that is because, the price of timber and all the other building materials that go into building a house have gone up. So you can see that these two indicators here are kind of contrary to what Jeremy Powell is saying, and he's trying to allude that the economy is going to be okay, that it's going to bounce back. But this is really pointing to one fact, and that inflation is on the rise, and that's what sent the jitters in the market. But the biggest impact on the Bitcoin price, we're going to jump to the Bitcoin price in a second, was that the Bank of Russia is calling for a full ban on crypto. So, like I said, the markets are looking pretty peachy keen yesterday, and then we had this news that the Bank of Russia calls for full ban on crypto. Russia's central bank suggested to making crypto trading, mining, and uses illegal. Owning crypto would be allowed. So you can own it, you can't use it, and you can't mine it. So this is just some more Russian FUD out there. I don't know why they want to do this. Let's see if it's going to be real or it's just, some postulation, some formulation that's going on, guys. So that is why we saw crypto going down. That is why we saw Bitcoin going down. And when the Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. So as a result of that, we saw that the fear and greed index yesterday was at 24, and now we have dropped to 19, guys. So people are panicking. So should you be selling right now? Should you be selling? Should you be getting out of crypto and going to go watch paint dry somewhere on a beach? I'm going to talk about that. So let's jump into the bitty price right now. Let's get my itty bitty baby. So right now we saw yesterday that on the week right now we're seeing that the Bitcoin is down about 5.5%. But you guys need to understand, Bitcoin is still holding its support level, and that support level is between 42 42,000 and 38,000. We're still holding this support level, okay? That is a fact. That is absolutely a fact. Now, typically we can see this falling wedge on the weekly, and typically 65% of the time a falling wedge is a bullish pattern, and we can expect a break to the upside. That's 65% of the time. Now, the only thing that has me concerned is if you look at the weekly here, we are well below the weekly EMA ribbons, okay? And the last time that we saw Bitcoin closing below the weekly EMA ribbons was way back in 2020. Okay, that's when we saw that. That's when we had the whole Black Swan event. You know what I'm talking about. And that is the last time we saw that. And when we saw that, we did see Bitcoin did break absolutely down, and then it did have a recovery. So at this point, like I said, I'm still not going to panic. We're still seeing that support zone is being held. Now, the reality is, I'm not going to hype it up. If Bitcoin continues to challenge these support levels over and over again, these support levels could break down. Now, the other thing that we got happening as well that's coming up very soon is we've got a whole ton of leverage longs and leverage positions that are about to be wrecked. We're going to talk about that. The other thing that's not helping is if you look at the Fed balance sheet right now, you can see that the Fed is printing so much money, and the Federal Reserve is just going cuckoo right now. So their balance sheet is getting bigger and bigger and bigger and not going down. And that's what the Fed chairman, that's why he wants to increase interest rates. He wants to pull back on the tapering and all of that and buying back the 10-year bonds. And that's why they want to reduce the balance sheet. So these are some of the catalysts that cause Bitcoin to go down and the broader markets to go down. So some other news that's coming in right now, we can also see that tomorrow in US, but today, Friday in Asia, we're going to see that tomorrow there's expiration options, the second with the highest open interest this month. The max paying at the expiry is about 43K, guys. So the next most important expiry is the 28th of January with a max paying of 46,000. Now remember, on the 26th, we got the Jeremy Powell Fed meeting, and they're going to release their minutes of their meeting and tell us exactly what they're going to do. So this is going to be a huge pivotal point for the crypto markets, and that we need to keep an eye on. And don't forget, on the following couple of days later, we've got another big expiration options, and that's the end of January, and that's going to be bigger and bigger and bigger, guys. So keep an eye on that. And right now we can see that the amount of leverage traders that has been wrecked is 351 million. So I would tell you that what we're seeing right now is that we're seeing that market makers are manipulating the market. They're using the Russian ban thing to push down the market, create these flash crash wicks on exchanges to drive out all of these leverage traders, because the leverage traders thought they could be smart, and they thought that they could, take long positions on Biddy because they thought that was a bottom in. But once again, leverage traders are wrecking the party for everybody else, guys, out there. So if I see this pattern, like I said, the descending triangle is a bullish pattern, and typically 65% of the time it's going to break to the upside. So what is the OG doing? Am I selling? What I'm doing, and this is not financial advice, is I am not selling a single thing, because I firmly believe that we're going to have a breakout to the upside, and that my target is right here at 68,000. That is my target. My target is the top of this candle right here, 68,000. Now, if we go below, if we definitely go below the support level, let me get that in there for you. I haven't shown you a chart. If we go below the support level, then we're going to be seeing that Bitcoin will go down. If we don't hold the support level, we're going to see that Bitcoin will go down, and it'll probably go down to about 30,000 in the house, guys. So that is the scenario. But what I'm saying is there's a 65% probability that we're going to be going up, okay? And the balance is going to be, we're going down. So that's what I got to say about that. So it's up to you guys, make your own decisions, but typically a descending triangle or descending wedge is often a very bullish pattern. So I believe that Bitcoin is not down and out, and that we are going to see an upside soon, not upside down, but upside soon. And I would just forget about January. If we can continue to hold the support level to the end of January, then in February we're going to see some move. Because guys and gals, historically, forever, since the beginning of the time, since man could make fire, January has always been a Debbie Downer month for the broader markets, and that is a fact, Jack. And you can go back, look in the history, and you'll always see that January is a bad month for Bitcoin, bad month for crypto, and typically a bad month for broader markets, guys. That's why it's called Blue January, guys. Blue January in-house, guys. So don't worry about it too much. It's up to you. I'm not selling a thing. I dollar cost averaged in yesterday, and I'm gonna continue to do that. I'm gonna continue to grow my portfolio. And remember, I'm an investor. I'm not a trader, guys. I'm absolutely not a trader. I'm an investor. So that's all I got to say about that. Okay, guys and gals. So some good news that's coming out right now. This is from Steve, and he's saying that if the bull case is, if we look at the EWT, if the low is in, this is how I would anticipate wave one unfolding. So what he's saying is if Bitcoin has hit its lowest point, then he's saying that he expects Bitcoin to be going somewhere along this trajectory here. Let me get my face out of the way. So he's postulating that we're around about here, 42,000, and he expects that we're going to see this Elliott wave pattern go to the upside, retrace a little bit, go up to this level, retrace a little bit, go up to this level, and then go back down, and then we're going to hit the golden pocket up here, guys. So he still believes that we're going to hit $58,000 in the house, guys. Sure, we're going to have some turbulence, we're going to have some rocky roads, but I believe that soon we're going to get a break to the upside, and we're going to validate level one. Then we're going to have a little bit of a correction again, and then we're going to go up to the wave 3, go down to wave 4, and then blast off to wave 5, guys. So that's what I think is going to happen, and you guys can take that to the bank, but I am absolutely not selling. The OG is not selling at all, and I'm holding strong. Some other good positive news is Facebook owner Meta dives into NFT digital collectible craze. We're also seeing on Instagram as well, and also we're seeing that Twitter right now, if you've got the blue mark on Twitter, you will be able to also display your NFTs also on Twitter. Now, getting the blue mark is always kind of a mystery to me because I've been trying and I keep getting denied on that one. So I have absolutely no idea how to get the blue mark. If you guys know, drop me a DM on Twitter because I've been trying and it just ain't happening. So I don't know what Twitter does and how they do it. It's a complete mystery to me. So let's jump into the Doge Wozer right now. So Doge Wozer yesterday, we had this huge crash, and that was because of all the Russian FUD. We went down about 6%. We are now at 15.48. The 16.5 level has now become resistance again. I mean, I'm getting dizzy. It's resistance, it's support, it's resistance, it's support. I mean, I'm not panicking. I'm absolutely not panicking in the house. You can see that once again, Dogecoin has this falling wedge, and at some point, it is going to break to the upside. That is just the probability of it breaking to the upside is 65%. The balance of probability breaking to the downside, guys. So right now, it is pivotal for Dogecoin to get above the 16.65 level and giddy on up. We need to break past the 20-cent resistance. Otherwise, it's just going to be going life support for Doge. Okay, so for me, I ain't selling my Doge. Worst case scenario, I got to hold to 2025. I'm willing to do that. That's why you never invest more than you're willing to lose, guys. Okay, don't put next month's rent in crypto because it could go down and then you don't have rent and then now you got nothing, right? Okay, so all I got to say to the leverage traders out there, stop it. You're wrecking it. You're absolutely wrecking it for everybody else. Another piece of news that also came in is Gary Gensler in the house denied the spot ETF again. So, come on, Gary, we need the spot ETF. Come on, we need the spot ETF for Bitcoin. Make it happen, brother. Make it absolutely happen. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on a weekly right now. So, not on the weekly, but on the 4-hour chart, we can see that Bitcoin right now is at 41,949. Once again, it's still in my range. It's absolutely in my range, and it's trading between those two boxes. And this is holding as good support level, guys. So I'm not too concerned as long as Bitcoin can stay in my support zone, in my support level. We should be okay, guys. We should actually be okay. I may move that down to 38,000. There we go. So as long as Bitcoin stays in my box, we're okay. And I still think that, once again, descending triangle, it's a bullish pattern, yada, 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 65% probability going up, and the balance going down, okay? So you guys can take that as any way you want it. This ain't financial advice, but the OG ain't selling. I absolutely ain't selling. Now, the Shibi Weeby has broken down exactly below this support level. This support level didn't hold. We broke down, and now Shibi Weeby is trading at 26. This is not a good place for the Shibi Weeby because it looks like that it's following this trend line, okay? And this trend line is acting as resistance right now. And if this continues, then we could see Shibi Weeby crashing down to 23. So the Shibi Weeby is not looking good. I'm not dissing on the sheep, guys, but it ain't looking good. I mean, come on. I mean, there's going to be a lot of YouTubers out there saying, yeah, everything's great, fantastic. It ain't fantastic right now for the Shibi Weeby. It ain't looking good. It's looking pretty serious that if we don't get some reversal pretty soon, we could see the Shibi Weeby going down to this level. And if this doesn't hold, then, okay, then it's bad news bears. Bad news bears for the Shibi Weeby right now. So let's jump into Ethereum right now. Also Ethereum yesterday. Let me clean up this chart a little bit, make a little bit more sense to you guys. Let me just change it up, pull it up. There we go. So once again, Shibi Weeby had a huge Ethereum had a huge crash, about 6.59% yesterday. And also too, let me just take a look at the biddy price as well, and let's see if there's a correlation there. Zoom that price up. Come on, charts. My charts, I'm not having fun with these charts, guys. I don't know what is with me in these charts. I see other YouTubers just like bing, bing, zoom, zoom. And, I'm always messing around with these charts. So Bitcoin also dropped 5% yesterday, okay? So it dropped 5% plus that. So it dropped almost 6%, exactly what Ethereum did. So Ethereum has gone down 6%, not looking good. And it has gone down below 3,000, and that is not good, guys. That is not good for Ethereum because that is a huge psychological level for Ethereum. I have not even looked at my portfolio. I'm not even going to look at it because it's going to give me a headache. Yesterday I had a huge migraine. Had nothing related to crypto. But if I look at my portfolio and my migraine is not 100% done, I'm like, 10%. I still got the headache. So I don't want to be, stressing myself out and look at my portfolio, and then my migraine kicks in, and then it's going to be bad news bears for the OG in the house, guys. I'm trying to maintain the energy level, even though I got this headache, guys. I don't know what it is. Maybe I don't know. Maybe it's because here it's been cold and hot. I don't know what's going on. So Phantom also broke down yesterday. Everything broke down. Down. And Phantom is at $2.64, and it has broken down below my rising support line. That is not good, but I think we're going to get a reversal. Wow, woo. Solana has also broken down, but we have seen this here before, guys. We saw Solana back in September, exactly the same levels. So this is now acting as resistance. Let me just drag that down. This is now resistance right here, guys, and that is not looking good in the house right now. This is support. Hello, OG, support, and this is the immediate resistance right here at $135. So we got resistance $135, and we're being supported $123. Let's hope that support holds. We did see it hold a number of times here. It's acting as a huge support level. So hopefully that will hold, guys. So let's jump into the market cap and let you guys get out of here. Don't listen to OG droning on and on and on. And right now, the total market cap right now, I just kicked the PC, is below 2 trillion. Wow. What a stinker of a day that we woke up to today. So guys and gals in America, thank you very much for tanking the crypto. I appreciate it. It's painful. I'm not even going to look at my portfolio because I just know that it's not going to be good right now. So the market cap is at 1.93 trillion. And the volumes are light at 58.66. And the dominance is going up. People, panic selling their altcoins. The retail investors panicked again, and that is causing a cascading action going on. And we have these leverage longs that are being wiped out, guys. So that's not going to help as well, and that is not good. This is a scary phrase. This is the OG scary phrase right now, okay? We're seeing Bitcoin right now is down 3.56%. And we're at 40,229. And I don't like to see this one. This is Ethereum below 3,000 and it's down 4.52%. It's not looking good. So let's hope we get a reversal happening, and it's Friday here. So hopefully, hopefully keep our fingers crossed that we get a pump it up weekend for Ethereum. So Ethereum is looking bad at 29.57. BNB is down almost 7%. Can you imagine that? It's at 431, guys. ADA is down again. I'm a buyer at $1. I'm waiting for this baby to go down to $1. I'm picking some up at $1, guys. Don't beat me up. If you're an ADA fan out there, don't beat me up. But I'm waiting for the dollar. I'm waiting for the dollar. The dollar is coming. I can smell the dollar for ADA. I can definitely. And Solana is down. Oh my goodness, it's down 8%. It's $124. Wow, Luna is down 2.54 cents, 77, and 5.39 for DOT. And the Dogecoin took a tankety tank, took a huge dump on the road. Get the pooper scooper out there because it's down. It is down right now. It's down 6%, and it's at 15.27. So it's going to be a big, huge pooper scooper that we're going to have to go and scoop up some of that Doge stuff out there. And Shibi Weeby is down 4.46%. It's at 26. Avalanche is down as well. Matic is way down there. I can't even see Matic. Where's Matic? Way down there on the list. Wow, Matic is down as well. Wow. This is not good, guys. So all I got to say is I ain't selling a thing. You know, my headache is now, it was 10% before I saw this. Now my headache is 20%. I'll tell you that right now. So guys and gals, please go back and follow me on my Twitter. Let me get my Twitter. Let me get out of here. There's a plan B to Fed balance sheet. Get out of here. Okay, follow me on my Twitter, guys. We got 3,736 followers. Go down there, follow me, send me a DM, guys. What do you guys think? What is going on right now? Like I said, it is the Russian ban. Remember, we had the China crypto ban, and that's made the markets tankety tank. We've got the Russian ban on right now, and that was at FUD yesterday. But overall, it was only about a 6% drop. So it wasn't as bad as the Ben and Twee China Elon Musk dump, right? So, we have been here before. You guys do not panic. Diamond hands, dollar cost average. Remember, we're investors. We're not traders. This is not financial advice. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, guys. That is a fact check. And just be blessed, guys. Be blessed. And go down there, smash the likes, and subscribe and comment, guys. And I know it's not looking good. It's going to be harder for you guys to smash the likes because you're not feeling too good about crypto. But show some love, guys. I'm working for you. I'm making this content for you. And I know that you guys are not happy. Cheer up out there. The OG is not panicking. I got the headache, but I'm not panicking. I can tell you that, guys. And don't forget to go check out the Wifey's channel. Let's get this up to 1,000 subs, guys. Come on. Let's do it right now. Do it in the house, guys. Do it. Come on. And don't forget to go and check out my check my merch. Gear up the OG gear. Feel good in the house, guys. And guys, also too, don't be a weak Nancy. Do not be a weak Nancy, guys. Don't do it. Don't become a weak Nancy in the house, guys. You do not want to do it. Check out my other merch. Don't be a weak Nancy, guys. Don't be a weak Nancy, guys. Okay? Cheer up, guys. Well, anyways, God bless you, guys. I appreciate it. You appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Absolutely, I'll see you in the next one, guys. God bless you. Be safe. Be well. Don't panic. Don't stress yourself out, guys. Dollar cost average. Buy the dippy dip. Wow. Bitcoin has just gone down below $39,000. Wow, what an ending to a video. Let's just check that on this chart here. Yeah, we're there, guys. We're there. We're still going down like a donut. Wow. So let's just take a look. How far we gone from the top of this wick yesterday all the way down here? We've gone down 8%, guys. So it's not looking good. Sorry, this is not a good ending to the video. But once again, the OG is not selling anything. Do not panic in the house, guys. It's actually a great time to be alive. Even though crypto's not looking good right now, don't panic, okay? Don't panic. I love you guys. I really do love you guys. I appreciate this community. This is some hope here. Do not panic, guys. Stop looking at your portfolio. Stop it. Go back. and open up your portfolio on Monday, and hopefully we'll be feeling much better. Okay, guys? I take care now. Take care, guys. Take care. See you later.